Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Audi A5 key fob. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is a common coin cell battery, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple process takes only a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it to slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Make sure it sits snugly in its compartment. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Audi A5. It should work perfectly, giving you reliable access once again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.